I want to bring back into the program Yahoo Finance's editor-in-chief, Andy Serwer, for some of our last thoughts here now. And Adam, you were asking me a question a little bit earlier about how I was reacting as a younger person to this inauguration after this very chaotic election that we had. And I want to throw that question back to you and also to you, Andy, about some of your thoughts, your reactions on this day after you've witnessed a couple of inaugurations now, what you're making of this moment.
Kristen, more than a couple, I have to say. But yeah, they're all the same and they're all different. That's what I'll say about inaugurations. Some of them are sort of a continuation, a continuum, if you will. Say, for instance, when we go from Ronald Reagan to George H.W. Bush, some of them are much more of a demarcation, which is to say maybe going from H.W. Bush to Clinton. This one is a huge break. And it's different in terms of politics, but even more importantly, in terms of tone and priorities. I don't know about you guys, but it's only been about 2 hours. And already the world feels pretty different to me. And I'm feeling that on social media and communicating with friends, acquaintances, and people I don't know on different platforms. And, for a majority of Americans, their hope now lies with a 78-year-old man who has been through the ringer personally and professionally. And we look forward to what he hopes to accomplish. The challenges are myriad: the pandemic, the divisiveness, climate change, our relationship with China, income and wealth inequality. But he spoke to those. He spoke about it, and I think he understands the task at hand, which is Herculean. But I should also point out, we are here at Yahoo Finance, that so far the market seems to like it. The market is up nicely since November 3rd, and it's up today as well, you guys.
Kristen, very quickly, the thing that really was moving to me was Kamala Harris and watching her be sworn in. We don't get to a moment like this without millions of Americans taking steps that make it possible for a Kamala Harris to be elected. So that was something I think that just resonated. Again, I keep referring to these eyes, which have been open since Richard Nixon was inaugurated. And I think that the arc of history is moving in the right direction. Andy Serwer, thank you.